AI agents are no longer just chatbots waiting for a prompt. In the last few days, the story changed. OpenAI introduced workspace agents that teams can share. Google and Workday pushed agents into HR and finance. And NVIDIA announced a CPU built specifically for agents. This is the shift. AI is moving from conversation into work. A chatbot answers one question. A workspace agent follows a process. It can gather context, use tools, run code, remember corrections, ask for approvals, and continue working in the cloud while you are away. That means the product is no longer just an assistant. It starts to look like a reusable worker inside the company. OpenAI's examples are not science fiction. A software reviewer checks employee software requests. A feedback router watches Slack and support channels. A weekly metrics reporter pulls data, creates charts, and writes the summary. A lead outreach agent researches prospects and drafts follow-up emails. These are ordinary office tasks, turned into repeatable agent loops. Then Workday and Google Cloud made the enterprise angle even clearer. Workday says its systems are used by more than 11,500 organizations, including more than 65% of the Fortune 500. Now its HR and finance agents are coming into Gemini Enterprise, so employees can ask, approve, update, and act without jumping across a dozen apps. At the same time, OpenAI models and codecs are now available on AWS. That matters because big companies do not adopt technology only because it is impressive. They adopt it when it fits procurement, security, billing, compliance, and governance. AWS gives agents a path into the boring infrastructure where real enterprise software actually runs. And underneath all of this, NVIDIA is preparing for a new kind of compute load. Vera is described as the first CPU built for AI agents. It has 88 cores, up to 1.2 terabytes per second of memory bandwidth, and NVIDIA claims 1.8 times faster task completion than x86 CPUs on agentic workloads. The hardware story is catching up to the software story. But agents becoming employees also means permissions become critical. Who can the agent email? Which spreadsheet can it edit? When must it ask a human? OpenAI is emphasizing approvals, analytics, compliance APIs, admin controls, and prompt injection defenses. The future is not just smarter models. It is managed autonomy. The important question is not whether agents replace every job tomorrow. They will not. The real question is which tasks become agent-shaped first. Reports. Tickets. Research. Follow-ups. Reconciliations. Reviews. The company org chart is getting a new layer: humans, software, and agents working together. ChatGPT was the demo. The workplace is the deployment.